Hey guys, welcome. If you're new here, my name is Lala and this channel is all about natural hair, protective styling, lifestyle, DIYs, beauty occasionally. So if that's something that you're interested in, then please do me a big favor and go down below and click that subscribe button, and right next to it click that notification bell so that whenever I post my uploads that you'll be notified. I installed these crochet locks, the standard method, no single, because you'll see later on in the video what I'm talking about, but I just installed the Bobbi Boss new locks, and I have to say that these are one of my favorite brands of locks because I've actually tried a few others and this one looks the most realistic to me. This is the third install, so I decided to come back on and show my friends how to achieve this look. I will show you all that I did to achieve this look. Don't mind my face because I'm dealing with some stuff with my skin, but nevertheless, I still came up here live and fresh and natural. I will be going through the steps of how I got to this process. I shampooed, deep conditioned my hair, and thoroughly did a nice good blowout on my hair because I needed a trim. If you're unfamiliar in how I do my trims, I'll leave that video right up here for you to check out, as well as down below in the description box. And I did that. And then I noticed that my hair is getting a lot thicker than it used to be, so I asked my aunt to actually braid down my hair. That was the best decision ever because the previous two installs that I did braid it down on my own, and I'm not the best at braiding. I do not do my braids too tight, and so I noticed that my hairstyle did not last as long. Of course, I did let it last for a month before I took it out, but my hair grew pretty fast with them. So to have them installed by a person that braids actually decently and nice and tight means that I'm gonna have a longer duration with this hairstyle, and that's what I want, right? She did do my hair in the Y-shaped braids at the front, which you'll see in the clip coming up, and then I had the standard going all the way back down braids. I ended up crocheting the back tails and then sewing them down in place, and just the simple basic installation of crochet braids. Now I want some highlights because, I mean, there's color, but I always love a pop. So I have the remaining of some 27 that I had from a previous set that I installed. Where do I want it? Ooh. gotten so much love on my Instagram, on my most recent post, so definitely go and check that out. But for today, this is what I chose to put in my hair because honestly, with work, I can't really deal with my natural hair for this particular moment. But don't worry, I'm gonna come back and do some natural hairstyles. Just let me know down in the comments what you want to see. But as of right now, this style is good for me. Like, it's popping. I purchased 6 packs of hair, 3 number 2s, 1 number 4, 2 number MLB/30. That's a mixed color. And I also had a leftover pack of the number 27, which you see is right here. So I didn't have any type of method on how I install them. I just installed them to see how it would fall the way I would wear my hair. And I typically wear my hair to the side, so, you know, being that I love the side parts, I do like to have the pop of color just, you know, sprinkle out within my hair. And I do love this hair. It's one of my favorites, like I said. What I will say is that this hair is very, very tricky when you're trying to get the loop open. So I do advise you to use a pointy apparatus, like the end of a, you know, end of a toothbrush or end of a rat tail comb like I did, and just use that to help you open up the loop because it's gonna be very difficult if you try to use it with your own fingers. So that's what I did. I just gathered a few of them on here to make the process go faster, and I just picked it up like this. Then I took my crochet hook like this, go onto the braid, go through this loop, keep it open. Then I grab a decent amount of it right here, and then I close the loop as such and bring it through like that. So it's really easy to put in and it's very versatile. You can put in some hair jewelry, which I will do. It's a few. I don't want to be doing too much. Let's see where we're gonna put them. Alright, so I just put 3 in my hair because the color itself is doing a lot for it, so I don't want to be too extra, if I may say that. So 3 was enough for me. But I do love this install. I'll be leaving the links to the hair, the amount of packs I use, how long it took to install, and also any products that I use in this video. Don't be afraid to check out my Amazon store. It'll be linked down below of all the products that I use on my wash day. Also, you know, beauty as well. I can link that below for you. So all of the goodies will be linked down below. Typically, this style will last you a month or a month and a half. Faux locks, I think they look pretty good on me. Thank you all for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Comment down below what you want to see next, or hit me up on Snapchat, whatever it is you want to do. Thank you guys if you're new for watching. I hope that you did enjoy this video and you clicked on that subscribe button, and give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you beautiful people later. Bye! Just showing them how I could flip it to the side. Flip it, flip it, flip it, flip it. I like it to the side, so that's how I wear it. To the side, to the side, to the side. I didn't do my edges. Oh my gosh. I'm a mess. I can't be bothered with the edges right now.